Hello everyone, welcome back to Word Via English Tips channel. Do you want to speak English in your daily life with confidence? In this video, you will learn 100 simple and useful English sentences that you can use every day. These sentences are perfect for beginners. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice daily. Let's start your English learning journey. Main script: 100 daily use sentences. Basic daily sentences. 1. Hello, how are you? 2. I am fine, thank you. 3. What is your name? 4. My name is John. 5. Nice to meet you. 6. Where are you from? 7. I am from India. 8. How was your day? 9. My day was good. 10. See you later. Home and routine. 11. I wake up early. 12. I brush my teeth. 13. I take a shower. 14. I eat breakfast. 15. I go to work. 16. I come back home. 17. I cook food. 18. I watch TV. 19. I go to sleep. 20. I clean my room. At work, study. 21. I am busy right now. 22. Please give me some time. 23. I will complete this work. 24. Can you help me? 25. I need your support. 26. Let's start the meeting. 27. I understand this. 28. I have a question. 29. Please explain again. 30. Good job. Shopping and money. 31. How much is this? 32. It is too expensive. 33. Do you have a discount? 34. I want to buy this. 35. I will pay by cash. 36. I will pay online. 37. Give me the bill. 38. I need a receipt. 39. This is good quality. 40. I like this product. Friends and conversation. 41. What are you doing? 42. I am just relaxing. 43. Let's go out. 44. I am on the way. 45. Wait for me. 46. Call me later. 47. I will call you. 48. That sounds good. 49. I agree with you. 50. That's a great idea. Travel and directions. 51. Where is the bus stop? 52. How can I go there? 53. Is it far from here? 54. Go straight. 55. Turn left. 56. Turn right. 57. It is nearby. 58. I am lost. 59. Please guide me. 60. Thank you for your help. Food and restaurant. 61. I am hungry. 62. Let's eat something. 63. What do you want? 64. I want tea. 65. I want coffee. 66. The food is tasty. 67. I like this dish. 68. The service is good. 69. Can I get the menu? 70. Please bring water. Feelings and emotions. 71. I am happy. 72. I am sad. 73. I am tired. 74. I am excited. 75. I am nervous. 76. I feel good. 77. I feel bad. 78. Don't worry. 79. Stay calm. 80. Be positive. Common daily use. 81. What time is it? 82. It is 10 a.m. 83. I am getting late. 84. Hurry up. 85. Take care. 86. Be careful. 87. No problem. 88. It's okay. 89. Sorry for that. 90. Thank you so much. Extra useful sentences. 91. I will try my best. 92. I am learning English. 93. Please speak slowly. 94. I don't understand. 95. Can you repeat? 96. I am improving daily. 97. Practice makes perfect. 98. I am confident now. 99. I can speak English. 100. I will keep learning. Great job! You learned 100 daily English sentences today. Practice these sentences every day, and your English will improve quickly. Remember, consistency is the key to success. If you like this video, like, comment your favorite sentence, and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends who want to learn English. Keep practicing, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.